8th standard student, now see the page number 154, an agricultural field. I have given for homework this work, but I am telling you the correct answer of this. Now a groove, a toy, a circular park, a cross path. You can see here. Now see the shape of this. When you will do this, so you will get the triangle and square. So you can see here a triangular field adjoining square field. Correct answer of this. So you here what you will do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and A, B, C, D, E and then match the following. In this way you will do in your notebook. In Interleaf notebook. Now a groove. A groove, that means conic shape and the cylindrical shape. That means a cone taken out of a cylinder. A toy. A toy is a hemisphere surmounted on a cone. Cone and hemisphere. Now a circular path around a circular ground. Now a cross path is two rectangular cross paths inside a rectangular park. Clear? Cross paths are there in the rectangular park. Clear? In exercise 10.1, for each of a given solid, the two views are given. Match for each solid the corresponding top and front views. The first one is done for you. We will do this work only in the textbook. Bottle, side view and top view. Now this balance. Okay. So side view and top view. Now for bottle side view easily we can see, and when you will see on the top. Now see cup and saucer, the side view easily we can identify. Now top view that means which one? This, when you will see on the top. Now this is container, so side view this, and from the top if you will see it looks like this. Okay. In the second question, for each of the given solid the three views are given. Identify for each solid the corresponding top, front and side view. So you can see front, side and top. Children's imagine. And if at your home almirah is there, so from the different position try to see, or matchbox. You will imagine the matchbox also. You can imagine like a almirah in front of you will keep in the standing position. You will get the idea. Now see here, it is side view, it's a front view and top view. In the TV, it's a front view, then side view, top view. In the car, there's a front view, side view, top view. Now see in the third question, for each given solid, identify the top view, front view and side view. So see here, from the front you can see, then side, and from the top if you will see, so it is the top view, front view, side view. Now in the second, when you will see from the front, so we can see this 3. And then from the side, so we will be able to this, and from the top, so side view, front view, top view. Now in this. From the front, if you will see, from the side, if you will see, and from the top only 2 square. So top view, side view, front view. Now in the D, from the front you can see this, from the side this, and when you will see from the top, 3 squares you will be able to see. So side view, front view and top view. Now in this, from the front, from the side, and from the top view, from the top if you will see, so front view, top view and side view. Now see here, draw the front view, side view and top view of the given objects. A military tent. You can see from the top view. Same portion you will draw in that way. Okay, my drawing is not good, children, and so I will send you image how you have to draw, but I am not good in drawing, so please, but you will draw, because art and craft you learn, so you can draw, so draw it. First you will, and then the top view will be like when we open the like we cover the shade in this way. Okay, and front to easily you can draw, and side view parallelogram, so same parallelogram you will draw that side. Okay, now a nut, that means wait. For front view, same to same, side view also you will make, and from the top view already we have done in the activity. Now front, 1 2 3 hexagonal you can draw, and side and top view will be same. From the top you can see this, and from the side also this shape, same to same you will be able to see. Now our dice. So in the dice you can see top view only this, side view, front view. Top, when you will see from the top, it looks like front and side. Clear? So here the 10.1 is completed. This question you will do in your Interleaf notebook. This question you will do only in this also. So only one question you will do in your, and that those activity, that one activity. Okay, and 5 views I am getting for maths subject. Very good.